Hi, I'm Liam.
I'm Laura.
I'm Aaliyah.
And this is our
Overland truck build. And so far we fitted these massive tyres.
We've also painted and raptured the cab.
We've shot blasted and painted the underside.
We've designed and built and galvanised our own subframe.
We've fitted all brand new prop shafts.
We built this winch tray and fitted a massive winch.
This hydraulic extending sun deck with retractable steps.
And we built this body from a Sainsbury's fridge truck.
And we fitted it with this beautiful motorcraft door. If you're interested in seeing how this build progresses, like and follow us. I can't get in. I have to edit that bit out.